unboxing Galaxy A02. This is, I got this from Abenson Metrobank promo. So, pag naka-purchase ka sa kanila with a certain amount, makukuha mo to as free. So, tignan natin. I-unbox ko na kasi baka may sira. So, as you can see, ito yung pinaka-seal niya. So, sealed siya. Sealed pa. Galaxy A02.
Bago yan, diba?
Dapat.
Samsung.
So this, ano na laman ito? Oh, baka tempered glass. Ay, hindi. Quick start guide. Kala ko tempered glass eh. Warranty card. Start guide. Samsung. Plan for the unplanned. Samsung. Oops. So, ito siya. Meron pang plastic sa ilalim. So, yan. Ito yung unit. Tapos, here's the plug. Okay.
Wala siyang kasamang earplugs na.
Meron yan. Ito yung earplugs. Ito yung cable charger. So, yan siya. Okay, quick start guide. Ito daw yung mga kasama. So, device, USB cable, quick start guide, ejection pin pala yung tawag dito. Ejection pin.
Okay.
Power adapter. Okay, so
Dalawa din yung camera.
device layout. Front camera, volume. To turn on the device, press and hold the side key for a few seconds. So, where is the side key? Okay. Yun ang side key.
Side key.
Volume key, side key. SIM card, memory card tray. Front camera. Multi-purpose jack.
Multi-purpose jack.
Okay. And then, rear camera. So we're going to turn it on and let's check the SIM card tray. Okay. Bago pala. Wow. So, nice. Okay. Let's turn it on here on the side button. Ito yung sa ano ito? Volume, and this is how to turn it on. Press. Ayun.
Samsung Galaxy A02.
Welcome. Start.
Ito si M card.
Okay, wala pa naman akong SIM card na ipapasok. So, may ganyan-ganyan na. Parang wala naman ganito dati.
Bago nga yun. Bagong style ng Samsung.
Siyempre, hindi naman talaga natin babasahin. Haba, no ba? Next. Choosing Wi-Fi. So, napasok ko na po yung password. And then, let's connect. Connected. Next. What is next? Checking for updates. 58%.
Just a sec.
Kita, you can choose to transfer your apps, photos, contacts, Google account, and more. Don't just a sec. Okay, with your Google account.
Ikaw yung nagawa ng Google account ni Nanay. Dapat
Ayan, pinasok ko na yung aking Google account info. Protect your phone. A new way to talk to Google. Notics assistant. Try this popular as set a reminder. This way. Smart tutor. Something Max. What is this? I skip the Samsung account para wala masyadong account. So, finish.
Ayan, meron.
Siya.
Lazada. Bakit na yung Lazada? Walang Shopee. Sa Shopee.